The Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is finally here, and it's already being called a game changer because it feels like a bold leap forward rather than a simple yearly upgrade. Honor has clearly focused on delivering a premium experience from every angle, starting with a sleek, ultra-modern design that looks and feels futuristic in the hand. The display is immersive and vibrant, making everything from scrolling to streaming feel smoother and more engaging, while the performance is fast and efficient enough to handle heavy multitasking, gaming, and AI-powered features without breaking a sweat. The camera system also stands out, delivering impressive detail, strong low-light results, and versatile shooting options that make it feel like a true flagship. What really elevates the Magic 8 Pro Air, though, is how all these elements come together into a balanced, refined experience that feels polished and purposeful. Instead of just competing with other phones, Honor appears to be redefining expectations, proving that innovation, style, and power can coexist in one device and genuinely raising the bar for the entire smartphone market.